How to create Hancock Whitney Bank online account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, open up any web browser you want and search for hancockwhitney.com. Then on this website, at the right hand side, you have this box where you can enter your details and log into your account. Simply select your account type first. If you do not have an account, click on the Enroll Now option to create a new account. Now on this web page, you will have to enter some of your details. Start by entering your social security number, then enter your date of birth. Now enter your account number. Then you can choose between checking or savings account. Then enter your ATM or debit card number. After that, you will have to enter the amount of one of your last 10 transactions. Then click on the Continue button. And after the verification, your new Hancock Whitney online account will be created. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.